My name's James Hull. I work with Innovative Waste Solutions and I'm a sustainability consultant. Sustainability is real important to me. It's made a huge impact on my life. And then we utilize Evergreen for a number of things. They do help us with a lot of equipment needs, logistics needs. One of the main reasons we use them obviously is our relationship is really good and we can just pick up the phone and make a call if we need something done, and it's done pretty quickly.
Okay, that sounds good.
The dispatchers are really big for us. It could be anybody from my company calling, the equipment that needs to be dropped, picked up, things like that. Time is money for everybody, and a lot of times we really need to act quickly. I had that instance this morning. I needed a truck. I said, hey, can you guys get me a truck tomorrow morning? And they were like, absolutely. We do work with other partners that aren't as quick to respond, or sometimes the service is lacking. So we definitely put Evergreen up there at the top. I know Evergreen's been a key component for us to help our customers meet goals, and I know if I need to go into a new account and I'm not completely sure what we're going to do in there, I can grab one of their guys and take with me and have another set of eyes, and then they can help with the costing of everything. Some of the customers, they'll have a permitted time to drop some equipment, but it has to be in and out within a certain amount of time, and we always know that Evergreen can handle that task.
This saves almost 15,000 trees.
Evergreen sends us reporting every month, and it's very detailed. It shows us, each and every commodity that's picked up and recycled, and it gives us weights, tonnages, and that's very key in our field, because then we can go back to our team and we can go back to our customers and say, look, this is where our goals are, and this is where we need to be, and this is where we're at today. But looking at the data, we know where we can make adjustments to improve. The biggest account for us that we work with Evergreen on is right here across the street, the Miller plant. They were pretty much throwing everything away, and almost everything was going to landfill. Just to be honest with you, they were spending anywhere from $50,000 to $55,000 a month on trash. We eliminated that. That's all you need to know. Evergreen took that off the table, and then we immediately started giving them rebates too. So we found out what we needed to do. We put all the programs in place. We helped train so that people are on the floor to know how to separate things, and we didn't charge them anything for it. That was a pretty big deal. I would put Evergreen against pretty much anybody. We work with a lot of different recyclers across the country, not just here. There's a lot of them that don't even hold a candle to them. We recommend them a lot. A really good relationship, and we do value that.